The way is to make money by playing games. Are you ready to take your gaming to the next level? Want to turn your leisure time into a lucrative source of income? Get ready to discover the most innovative and exciting ways to make money by playing games. From virtual reality to online competitions, the possibilities are endless. Join us as we uncover the tips and tricks to help you turn your passion for gaming into a steady stream of income. So, put down the snacks, turn up the volume, and get ready to learn how you can turn your playtime into playtime with ways to make money by playing games. Do you love playing video games? Did you know that you can make money by playing them? It's true. There are several ways to turn your passion for gaming into cash. From streaming their gameplay on sites like Twitch to becoming professional esports athletes, gamers have plenty of opportunities to make money. So if you're looking for extra income or a full-time job, check out these ways to make money by playing games. In this video, we are going to show you the ways to make money by playing games. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now let's get started. The idea of making money by playing games. Have you ever wished that making money was as easy as playing games? Well, now it is. With the increase in technology and the availability of the internet, there are opportunities available to make money by playing games. You can choose from a variety of options, such as becoming a pro gamer or joining the streaming industry. As gaming continues to grow, so does the potential for gamers to make profits. Whether you're looking to become a professional or just want to make some extra cash, online gaming offers various possibilities. It's only going to get bigger and better, so take advantage while you still can. How to start making money from playing games. Making money from playing video games is an exciting and fun way to make a living. The first step in this process is to find the right game to play and make money with. Consider looking at some of the most popular games right now, as well as trying out some indie titles that offer unique locales or characters. Next, determine which platform you want to focus on. Whether you prefer PC, console, or mobile gaming, pick one that works best for you and start getting familiar with it. Lastly, look into strategies and tutorials on how to get better at the chosen game. With practice and dedication comes increased expertise, which can be leveraged into greater earning potential in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Start playing games and make some money. Eight kinds of gaming as our BSDFR earning money. If you are looking to make a bit of extra cash side, hustling with some fun and entertaining games, you're in luck. Many online casinos offer the chance for gamblers to make real money by playing a range of different games. Pick your poison. There are casino classics such as roulette, blackjack, and craps that have been popular for centuries. Or jump into something new like video poker, bingo, and online slots. All of these have the potential to help you win big. Just remember to set limits and enjoy yourself while doing it. As long as you are smart with both how much you spend and how long you play, gaming can be a fun way to earn some extra cash. Strategies for how to make the most money possible from playing games. Making money from playing games may seem like an unlikely prospect, but there are strategies out there that can help you maximize your income. One of the best ways to increase your game playing profits is to sell the virtual goods you acquire while playing. In many popular online games, users gain access to a range of upgrades, items, and weapons that can all be sold to other players in exchange for real-world currency. Additionally, if your gaming skills are especially sharp, you could always become a professional esport player on platforms such as Twitch or Discord. Finally, turning your gameplay into content by producing videos on YouTube is another way to monetize gaming. If you are serious about making money from playing games, these approaches offer a variety of opportunities worth exploring. Risks involved trying to make money from gaming. Making money gaming can be a rewarding experience, but there are plenty of risks involved with it as well. For example, spending too much time gaming to make money can have serious consequences on your health. It can also lead to a lack of focus on studies or other important aspects of life, like relationships or hobbies. Furthermore, when you start earning from gaming, you become an added target for cybercrime. Phishing scams and malicious software can quickly put an end to months of hard work, and it would be best to stay one step ahead by always keeping your device secure. Additionally, without proper regulation, playing games for profit is often associated with gambling, which itself has its own set of potential issues that could cause trouble for anyone engaging in it. Despite the risks associated with making money through gaming, thousands around the world have experienced tremendous success, and the rewards far outweigh any risks if done responsibly. Pros and cons of making money by playing video games. Making money by playing video games may seem like a dream come true for avid gamers, but it isn't without some drawbacks. On the plus side, it can be a great source of income and an extremely enjoyable form of work. It also provides an opportunity to learn the ins and outs of business and interact with people in the gaming world. However, it's important to remember that this path isn't easy. It takes hard work and dedication to make a steady living off of playing video games. Additionally, gamers might be missing out on other opportunities if they focus their entire energy on this career choice. Ultimately, making money by playing video games can be incredibly rewarding if the cons are taken into account and managed properly. So, is it possible to make money playing video games? Yes. Is it easy? No. But if you follow the tips and strategies we've laid out for you, and use them with a bit of elbow grease, and maybe some good old-fashioned luck, there's no reason why you can't start earning some cash from your gaming habit. Just be sure to weigh the risks against the rewards before diving in headfirst. After all, not everything is fun in games when real money is on the line. Thank you for sticking to the end. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Till next time.